In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove a secondary axis in Microsoft Excel. Adding a secondary axis can help you visualize two sets of data with different scales in a single chart. This allows both data series to be displayed clearly without one overshadowing the other. Before adding a secondary axis, you first need to create a chart from your data. To start, select the data you want to include in the chart, making sure to highlight both the labels and the values. After selecting the data, go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Charts group, choose a column chart depending on how you want your data to appear. Excel will generate a chart based on your selection, displaying your data in a visual format where the vertical axis shows the values and the horizontal axis represents your categories. Once your chart is created, click anywhere on it to activate it. With the chart selected, go to the Chart Design tab in the ribbon. From here, click on Change Chart Type. A window will appear showing the available chart options. In the Change Chart Type window, select Combo. This option allows you to assign different chart types to each data series and determine which data series will use the secondary axis. For each data series, choose the chart style you prefer and then select the series that you want to display on the secondary axis. Once you have configured the settings, click OK to apply the changes. The chart will update immediately and you will see that one of the data series now corresponds to a secondary axis. This makes it easier to compare data that vary in scale, and it ensures that both series are clearly represented in the same chart. If you ever want to remove the secondary axis, the process is just as simple. Click on the chart to select it, go back to the Chart Design tab, and choose Change Chart Type again. In the Combo settings, deselect the secondary axis option for the data series you want to revert to the primary axis, and then click OK. The chart will return to using only the main axis, simplifying the display. Using a secondary axis is a useful technique for presenting data clearly when the scales of your data series differ significantly. Make sure your axes are labeled appropriately so that anyone viewing the chart can easily understand the information. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.